Making landfall in Matuku last week, we didn't really know what to expect. It feels like we're back in the societies. Being welcomed with open arms, the hospitality of the Fijians keeps surprising us.
They made something special for you, baby.
We get invited to a huge gathering of Fijian priests that only happens once a year. Being treated with a huge feast and many new friends, we completely fall in love with Matuku. It's eye-opening.
Extremely.
Good morning, everyone! We just woke up like half an hour ago. Chewy, one of the guys from our host family, he knocked on our boat and said, "Come on, we're going to the meeting." So now we just had a quick banana and put on some clothes, and we just arrived in this other village. Apparently there's gonna be a big meeting here today, and they're gonna put on a big lunch. So they said, come, you're invited. But we had no idea what time. So yeah, at 6:30 he was knocking on our door. Normally we're up by then, but we had pretty terrible night's sleep, a lot of mosquitoes and that. But it's really nice to see this other village, and Kieran's gonna fix a washing machine here, and Tui also asked him to bring some ropes. Good morning!
Morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Very good. Just arrived at this new village, so I got to put my Sulu on.
Yeah.
I'm Kieran.
Mike.
Nice to meet you, Mike.
Village headman.
Hi, Isabel.
Isabel.
Nice to meet you.
Kieran.
Kieran.
Just call me Vonu.
Vonu.
Vonu. Turtle. Turtle. Vonu. Easy. Is Tui here?
Do you know where he is?
The other village.
The other
He's in
village.
Rebravi.
The other village.
Oh.
Which one's that?
Next village.
Oh,
Oh,
so we're going to the wrong
we
one.
went to the wrong one.
Oi.
Oh.
Oops. There are 7 villages on Matuku, and we mistakenly went to the wrong one. Apparently it's just around the corner here, so we're just gonna scoot over. Good morning.
Sorry we're late. We didn't realize we were going early. Good to see you again. We were surprised when you came so early. I was like, no, this is not Fiji time. Well,
How's your tour guide?
very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Tour guide.
How are you? How are you? Good to see you.
Very well, very well.
Very well indeed.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine.
Good to see you again.
Like your dress?
Eh?
Like your
I
dress?
can give it to you.
I have brought my tools, so after breakfast I will look
Yeah.
at your
Go and have a tea. The machine is there.
machine. Is there? Oh, perfect.
You go up to the hall. Have a tea there.
Go up to the hall.
Yeah.
I have been telling a few people to call me Vonu. It's easier. Morning. Hola, how are you? The meeting this year was being held by one of the 7 villages located around Matuku. The 6 other villages sends their priests and their chiefs to the meeting. Hola.
What are you eating?
I'm having Fijian bread with locally sourced jam. Matuku bread. Sorry, Matuku bread. I stand corrected.
Oh wow, there's more.
It smells nice, yes. We use that as well for steam inhalation. It's very effective.
And just grows in
Yeah.
the garden.
Yeah.
Very refreshing.
Very refreshing. Not a more. Sugar?
Oh, it's okay. I'll have it like this.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, some more.
Napa.
THA.
It's hard.
Ah,
My name is Isabel.
oh, right, Isabel. Nice.
Like us, they give sebu sebu to the host village. This sebu sebu is a sign of offering and respect in their culture, and their tradition has been around for a millennia. So the washing machine works, but when you go to put in the dryer, you turn it on and nothing happens. Okay.
You got an assistant.
I do. Same as yesterday.
What did you do?
Finally found their problem. It was just like half an hour of dealing with this cheap Chinese stuff to get it open, and now I found the problem. Just gonna do a join and that'll fix it.
Oh, he's good.
Happy Chappy.
He's a happy chappy.
So the Fijian culture, it's just so giving and so overwhelmingly welcoming that it's I feel like a little bit from my culture, I feel like I haven't done enough. So when they bring out a few broken washing machines, it's kind of like, it's just like a bartering system. Like I'm giving a service and I feel happy and they feel happy, and so we're able to fix 2 washing machines today, which makes me feel good because I can help the community out, and they make us feel so welcome in their home. What have you got, baby?
I got a flower.
Who gave you that?
No, Kieran.
Looks good on you.
Does it look good on me?
Maybe like.
Well, I'm not married, so I can't put it there.
Oh, sorry.
And I'm not single, so.
Oh, jeez. Okay. We'll
So I'm holding it.
on the nose. As the day gets on, men join a kava drinking circle and relax around a tree. Meanwhile, women prepare the incredible lunch to be shared by all. Yeah, very good.
Happening.
We're about to have a feast. They made something special for you, baby.
Oh, really?
On the menu is turtle, pork, chicken, beef, cassava and breadfruit, all sourced from Matuku.
What does it taste like? Chicken. Chicken? Oh. He says it tastes like chicken.
Tastes great.
Yeah, the turtle. Woo! What a day!
Matuku, delivering the
Wow.
goods. Delivering the absolute
Incredible.
goods here at Matuku.
I'm shocked, hey. They put on an absolute feast.
Once in a year feast we
Yeah,
had today.
yeah.
We have killed it with the timing this whole Fiji trip so
It
far.
was a meeting for the church pastors on the island that happens once a year, and yeah, every village village on the island get together and put on a feast. They made a special potato salad just for me with no eggs. I was so honored. And you tried turtle for the first time?
I tried turtle. It was already on my plate, and then they told me, oh, you know that's turtle, or vonu. And I was like, oh, okay. Well, looks like it's going down the throat. I'm gonna try this thing.
You said it tasted alright.
It tasted fine. I'm just not used to eating turtle, so I was a little bit cautious around it. But no, I enjoyed it. It was great.
So nice. Everyone was so friendly and wondering about us and how we enjoyed Fiji and Matuku and
everything on that table was sourced here. That's
locally
what
produced. Amazing.
That's what I can't. They had like 4 or 5 different dishes.
11.
11
I counted.
11 different dishes.
Yeah.
All sourced and cooked here. Yeah, it's a completely different way of living here.
Yeah.
It's just so natural and so down to earth.
Even the kava was produced here and grown here. It's just, yeah, incredible. Great day here in Matuku, Fiji.
At each village we've been to around Fiji, it is normal to receive a host family that takes care of all our needs while there. You have a beautiful day today. Is it always, is it more sunny or is it more rainy?
More rain.
More rain. So today is a very good day. Okay. So you have all the water.
Yeah.
People come to you for the water.
So you can.
Or if it comes from the other way, it's good. Like
this morning we were having breakfast with Tui and his family that were our host family.
Yeah, the basin.
Sharing conversation about their island and its people really allowed us to feel like part of the community.
What a beautiful morning we've had.
It's been great.
We've been spoiled by Chuku/King, our host family, and they treated us with a lot of bananas and a beautiful breakfast with homemade buns. It was incredible.
Their way of life it's really hard to describe to a Westerner or to somebody from our countries.
It goes against our rules somewhat.
So basically, we've just been talking with them, and their level of giving and their level of just like friendliness is just honest. It's at a place which I've never seen before.
Yeah.
So they actually have lots of fish and lots of coconuts and food and stuff all on this island, and they have plenty, like more than they need for themselves. So they have family in the main town of Suva. And so what they do is they fish and they collect food and they send all their excess, and there's a lot of excess, they send it all to their family in Suva and everything. And I said to Tuku, I said, well, okay mate, that's all good and well, so what do you get in return? He's like, nothing. Nothing, I don't know, I get nothing. Every now and again they got to send you stuff, yeah, sometimes, but most of the time, nothing. Yeah. And I'm just like, what?
They said that we have everything we need here. It's them over there. Everything is so expensive there, but we have everything here. And they're living in a small village, in a small island.
And they're so content with that, aren't they? And they're so happy with that.
It's amazing. And they are so friendly. So friendly.
It's just that state of mind which these people are in, which is just foreign. It's just so foreign to us. The way of thinking is, it's interesting because when you go on a trip like what we've gone on, you open yourself up to different cultures and the way they think. But this is kind of the big one for me, which is just blowing me away. Is just how selfless they are and
how much they want to give and how friendly they are. We arrived yesterday and the chief said if you want to, build a house here and live here,
Yeah,
then
if you want to stay here for a year or 2 years,
yeah, if you want to live here, that's an option. Or if you
we'll
just,
build you a house.
yeah, it's just
And they mean that. It's not like a joke. They
No.
actually mean that.
very, very genuine.
And anything you want. Oh, we will grow cucumbers here as well. Oh, we'll fix that for you. And it's just
There's no exchange of money.
nothing.
There's no kind of hidden, payment which you have to give.
Yeah,
This is just people with excess of food and happiness
it's incredible.
that just want to share it.
And our host family, they met in Nandi, so they also have a house in Nandi, but they prefer living here.
They have the
They want to live here because everything is here.
they have the choice, exactly.
Yeah,
They have the choice
yeah.
to live on the mainland, but
they both said no, we want to live
they
here.
prefer it here.
Yeah. It's eye-opening.
Extremely.
Just taken back right now. Just gonna let this sit for a bit.